This is Legal Update with Cunningham Bounds.
Hello, I'm Drexel Gilbert with Cunningham Bounds attorneys Billy Bonner and Lucy Tufts. Today we are talking about the complexity of industrial accident cases. Lucy, would you give us an example?
I'd be happy to, Drexel. Our firm obtained a jury verdict for an injured mechanic who suffered a severe ankle burn while operating an industrial hot water steam cleaner. The hose on the steam cleaner was improperly inspected and maintained. A hole developed in the hose over time, eventually causing scalding hot water to burn our client.
Well, that seems pretty straightforward. Billy, why did it go to trial?
Well, Drexel, one of the challenging issues in that case, and in many industrial cases, is the question of who is responsible for the faulty piece of equipment. Sometimes it is the manufacturer for improper design, or the owner for improper inspection and maintenance, or possibly a subcontractor for abusing it. Many times it's a combination of all three of those things.
Drexel, the service manual in that case was not clear with respect to which company had the responsibility for the equipment. We had to look at contracts. We had to take the testimony of a number of witnesses. We had to consult experts regarding standard practices in the industry. We ultimately proved that it was the owner of the steam cleaner who was responsible for conducting the required safety inspections on the equipment, not the company that was regularly using it.
So the owner and the user of the steam cleaner were pointing fingers at each other.
Exactly, and that is why you have to have an experienced litigation team like Cunningham Bounds that can develop the evidence necessary to prove the case. Defendants always try to muddy the water to escape responsibility. You can't let that happen if you want to obtain a jury verdict that fairly compensates you for your injury. In this case, we were able to obtain a $770,000 verdict for our client.
Okay, well, thank you for being here, and thank you for joining us for Legal Update.